Welcome back to what I call the super over of Chennai Speaks Out, SL Chennai Speaks Out, live-in relationships, should society back off? This is a round dedicated to the audience here.
Can you define what do you mean by live-in relationship?
Why do you want a definition?
No,
mind your
because
business.
unless and until I know, understand.
That is my problem.
No,
Why do you
no, no,
want
not
a
at all.
definition? Who are you to ask me for a definition,
no,
mister?
that is what-
Seriously,
that-
it is my
that-
life. I'm a grown adult.
No,
I
I-
like someone. We both decide how we want to take it, when we want to get married, how long we want to live with each
Let
other.
it be. Keep
What
it
is
aside.
your problem?
Keep it
That is the
aside.
problem.
Keep it aside. Before marriage, they need a pre-marital counseling.
Premarital counseling.
Yes,
That
absolutely.
I think is just another.
No,
That I think is just another way of
Why can't we have,
poking their noses
why can't
into
we have
things that don't
pre-live-in
concern
counseling also, sir?
If the government comes forward, our government I am talking about.
This is the same government that can't build roads properly. You want them to build marriages.
I'm really surprised how the court has decided there is nothing wrong in that.
So maybe you should implead yourself in this case in the Supreme Court, but then why can't you have
It is absolutely wrong.
pre-live-in counseling, sir?
Live-in?
As a psychologist, will you be game to have pre-live-in counseling sessions? No.
I don't accept that.
Why, sir?
Because it is a
So
trial
then it's
and
not a
error.
question of
Trial
then
and
it's not a
error
question of
Trial
personality.
and error.
It's a question of your
So is marriage,
morality.
is marriage also isn't marriage also trial and error at one level, sir?
There are. That is because of the some problem with the parents, some problem with the society.
If it weren't,
some
then you would be out of business, no?
No,
Their
no, no,
error
no,
can be
no.
corrected, sir.
So,
What about Lord Krishna? Lord Krishna did not have any physical relationship with any woman till his life.
Because he was there. He knows.
Because that is the point. That is.
No, there was a good movie that was made on the subject.
Also, Swami Nityananda also said something similar. Okay. Sir. Yes, sir. Young man there.
When you finally decide to have a child, at least for the sake of the child, will you marry?
Okay.
For the child to be accepted by the
Sudesh,
society.
Sudesh, take that, yeah.
I think at that point, it depends on what. At that point, if we feel that we do need to get married, we will.
Okay, corollary,
Like I said,
okay.
it is up. It's a personal choice between me and my partner on when to have a baby, and if we have a baby, whether we want to get married or not. The society has no business in it, which is why I'm for live-in
Leander
relationships.
Pace, Leander
You
Pace
also
did
get
that.
a passport to leave
Leander
the
Pace
country,
did that.
you don't. And what happens when the child grows up and you still have both decided not to marry? He'll continue to remain that way?
You're asking a very hypothetical question.
No, but
you
that's-
asked me
Not
if I
hypothetical.
get
As a
married, I'll
supplementary.
say yes
He
at that
said
point.
his
Whatever.
parents
All right, why don't I
registered
flip the
their
question?
marriage.
One second, why don't I flip the question on its head and ask Sudesh this? Should people in a live-in relationship have children?
They could. It's up to them if they
So
are willing to
it's
take
an
the
ideal- it's an ideal
responsibility.
situation.
As long as they understand what the baggage that comes with it, as long as they understand the responsibility that comes with it. Like that's why I said live-in relationship is only for mature, grown adults.
Yes, the gentleman there. Yes, yes, sir.
Your birth certificate
One second, yeah,
requires the name of the father and the
father,
mother.
I believe, is the person who is the sperm donor in the situation. So it's not like the woman doesn't know who the father is.
Okay, yes, the gentleman there.
So just put his
Subramaniam.
name down.
One,
I
yeah.
have a question.
Yes.
The first casualty in this live-in relationship is the girl.
Definitely. She's always
This is what we said,
So-
yes.
So, if you have a child, that will also become a casualty later on. So, why don't you get married and start living in within the ambit of the marriage?
Okay, Carrie?
Well, here's the thing. Now, it all boils down to not really live-in relationships, but how society sees things. So, I would like to say that the first casualty is not the woman, the second casualty is not the child. The first casualty is the fact that everyone has decided to jump on a bandwagon without even thinking about it for 5 seconds. The reason why we feel the way we feel about certain things today is because our parents felt that way and their parents
Carrie,
felt
let
that
us
way.
look at a
and their
society
parents-
where
It's a
this has
laser
been
practice.
practiced. How is the society there today? West, where it is practiced extensively. Do you know how even live-in relationships came into the first whatever the data or whatever research
I
I've
was
read?
very
They could
certain
get
that the first live-in
divorces
relationship
could happen
wasn't my
easily.
last relationship. So, having said that, having been part of a live-in relationship at one point in my life, I can honestly say that those were fabulous times. And when we together decided that this was not something that was going to work, we went our separate ways. It's not like from the very beginning you're sitting there going, okay, so we'll be together for 3 years.
the relationship
I'm only
is very-
using 3 years because of your special.
No, so the
3 years.
relationship is very fragile from the start.
No, I think a relationship, if you define it and say, okay, we're gonna try this for 3 years and then see what happens, I think
when
that's
you
a
start, you
pointless
don't say,
waste of
"Drop me
time."
not."
It is just the live-in relationships is so prominent. Look at the kind. Do you notice the kind of differences that we have between our two societies? The kind of problems they face. Do you see the kind of psychological problems that country possesses? Those people who practice. I've seen it. I think a strong family is a foundation for a lot of great things. And you have enough
Absolutely.
research,
And a
enough
strong
data.
family doesn't need to be within the social financial confines of a marriage.
strong
That's
family
my
would
Gary,
be
you
my
know what
friends and
is
support.
wrong. You can still have those values, whatever you say. What is wrong in being married? You tell me. Why do you want to just have this live-in? To walk out whenever you want?
Let me
It
flip
simply
it.
says
Let me
to
let,
just
let me
walk
flip
out.
that question.
It
Let me
is
flip
because
that.
to just walk out when you want it.
Like
Absolutely
I said,
not.
I don't have a problem with marriage.
just
but you
to
have a
make it
problem with living
easy-
relationships. So I'm asking you, what is your problem with living relationships?
It's just giving you the freedom to walk out when you want.
No, but
There's
see,
no,
why is
like he
everyone
said,
looking at
like the
this
gentleman
freedom
said
to
earlier,
walk out
it's
anytime you
the
want?
woman
Why
who
would
really takes
All right,
the brunt.
there's a gentleman there,
The
yes.
men are going to get away with it.
A time comes, you start fighting for very much small things. But in the case of marriage, you have something to better work upon it. There is a trust and all those things. So, and what you said that, okay, there are a divorce rate, but still in India, the divorce rate are very much low. And even if there is a
Divorce rates are low in India.
still it's lowest. It's
Compared to
lowest.
US.
It's
Compared to
lowest.
developed countries.
It's lowest.
Not only US, compared to developed countries.
It's lowest. And again, if there is a divorce, you must have heard about this website. There is called secondshadi.com. So if that marriage, yes, if that marriage doesn't work out, you can again work on that marriage. That's my take on that. So what's your take on this?
Okay, Carrie or Sudesh?
See, the way the system is, it's becoming more and more scientific. The older we grow, we seem to be very, very choosy about what we want. So if you open a classifieds column or a shadi.com or a second shadi, it will tell you, I want the girl to be fair, I want her to be like this, I want to be vegetarian, I want this, I want that. As a child, you made friends irrespective of whether the girl was older than you or you just liked.
No, but
But
tell me,
as
it's
the
not.
older you get, we're becoming more choosy as a society.
No,
which
no.
means
What
that we have to
happens-
make
what
rules
happens, Sudesh?
for this change. You're not accounting for the change. You're saying, yeah, society is changing, but we will, because society is
Alright,
a
yes.
mass.
You're saying
Yes,
people
yes.
are
The
choosing
same is the case with live-in
They're
relationship.
getting more and more
And what
choosy,
guarantee
so
they
make
get the
rules
choice
for
what
that
she
change.
does?
All right,
Why
the
do you
gentleman
make
behind.
changes?
Same is the case with
Now,
live-in
take rules,
relationship.
take into
It
account
is.
that
Make
change.
changes. Make changes when you know people are changing, when you know people are getting more and more selfish or egoistic, as you say.
Yeah.
Why don't you give them space to understand, to lead the way they want to live their lives and figure out if it's good or not? Who are you to tell us not to do it?
No, you said no that you want a girl to be fair. You place an ad.
I
in
didn't
a-
say that. I'm
That's
saying
what
if
the
you look
classified
at
said.
it
All right, yes.
classified,
Go ahead, yeah.
you open any classified,
Yeah,
they'll
yeah,
tell
okay,
you that.
okay.
If you fall in love with a guy, you love him like anything, your mom is not accepting, your dad is not accepting, this gentleman is not accepting, would you step back because of him? Would you step back because of your father?
That's what I'm trying to tell you, young man, that if I have to marry, it's my personal choice at the end of the day. I want to marry.
Your
I
parents
don't
are
want
not
to
going to
marry.
accept.
I
At
don't
end
want
of the day, your parents are not going to accept.
Hey, dude.
End of the day, your parents are
a
not
very
going
good
to
point. If
accept.
society says no, we don't think it's a good idea.
Why would the society say no to a marriage? I don't get it. What's the problem?
There's
See,
like
the
a
thing
billion
is-
reasons.
No, you-
Caste
but then you got
issues,
a choice.
money issues, color issues, creed issues, the texture of his shoes.
All their arguments
Let her
have been
answer
that
her
society
question.
won't like it. It's like what? Society is a mafia or what?
Yeah, fair enough. Yes.
I have one question to the panel. That is regarding, you had said about live-in relationships where if you have a child, you cannot take care of them once you are split. Same way in a marriage, when you have a divorce, the same society looks at you in a different way. But in a marriage, the society tags you, you are a divorcee. But in a live-in relationship, it doesn't happen
You're a
that way.
free-charactered woman.
Yeah.
But how many
Footloose
people
and
know that?
fancy free. Yeah, footloose and fancy
many
free.
people
Because
know
you
that?
don't
You're a
give her the,
divorcee-
you
you're a
don't give
divorcee
her
for
the
life. It's
status.
on
Divorcees
paper.
You
again.
don't even want to give that woman a status. You're going in a party.
Divorce
You're
is
in a
also a
live-in
status,
relationship. Carrie,
whatever
how will
it
you
is.
Let me-
choose
But
your
Carrie,
life?
what's
point out here- let me
what's wrong
point
with
out
being a
here-
divorcee? What's wrong with being a divorcee? It's not,
Absolutely
may not be your fault.
What's wrong with being a free?
It may not be your fault.
You came up with that.
No, yeah, you came up with that. I have never ever looked at a woman and said, oh my God, she's so free-charactered. Okay? Like to me,
don't discuss.
You
People
have to
don't
respect
discuss.
women first.
no,
First
we
you
don't
start
because
respecting
first
women.
you
See,
should
I-
learn to
Hold
respect
on.
a
Don't
woman.
judge a girl because she slept with someone. Okay?
I
Don't
never
judge
said
a girl.
that. This is how you get tagged. That's what I'm trying to
No,
tell
but
you.
here's-
It's
here's
the
my
best.
point.
You are blaming
Listen,
everyone
Sudesh.
You know what?
when you're
You know what you
making
call-
that
you know
Sudesh,
what
judgment.
it's a man's world at the end of the
No,
day.
you-
Everything
you-
is
wait,
as per
you
what
know
you
you call a
want,
woman
what
who
you
sleeps
think
with
is
a man?
Character
convenient.
judgment now. You came up
Do you
with
know
a
what
character
you call a woman
judgment.
that sleeps with a man?
Nothing.
A woman.
I know a cousin of mine, okay? The parents showed like only about say 3 guys and said, choose yours, choose the right guy for you, okay? She went in, she stayed with one of them for 3 days, okay? 3 days, not as a bad or anything, but just to know each other. She came back and I know that because she spoke to me after that and then she said, I stayed with him for 3 days and I was very compatible with him. I think he's the right guy. And a few months down the line, they got married. Okay, now I do not know what to call those 3 days.
Courtship.
Or my aunt.
Courtship.
But are you
Not-
a
not
witness to all those women who are there in different offices? Do you know the way they get taunted? Do you have any idea what happens over there? Have you witnessed all of that? I know.
Why don't you fight the society?
One
Why are you
minute.
fighting the individual?
Yeah, exactly.
What about your parents? If they don't allow you to enter into any such relationship, what is your take on that?
Sorry, my parents don't allow me to. Sorry, what?
The same as love marriage. If you
No,
love a guy.
No, the bottom line is that my parents aren't getting married to this person. I am. If I have to spend the rest of my life with someone, damn right, I will be the one that decides who I'm going to spend the rest of my life with. My parents don't have to live through the marriage. I do.
But
So my
still,
parents don't
your
get to
parents
have
are
a
not
say.
agreeing about this live-in relationship concept. They said if you want,
My parents might not agree with the t-shirt that I chose to wear. Am I going to change my t-shirt? No. And it's pretty much the same for the rest of my life. Whether or not my parents agree with me, that's not the be-all and end-all of life. I live my life for me. Bottom line, yes, I have to respect my parents and I love my parents, but you know what? My parents have to respect me in return. I'm not just their child, I'm also an individual. And as soon as people realize that respect is a two-way streak, I think things will start to change. The problem is that we have this idea of respect as a, oh, I can't tell my father I smoke, I can't because I have to respect him. So what am I going to do? I'm going to lie to my father instead, and that in some way is respect? I don't think so.
Carrie has no issues that tomorrow, you don't believe in marriage, but he has a son, he walks into the room with a marijuana, you will have no issues, right? You won't have any problem.
That would entirely depend on how old he was. If he was 17, he'd get his
issues. You won't have any issues.
And if he's 27? If he's 27?
If he's 27 and he's smoking marijuana, he can't be my son.
No, well, and the narcotics...
He can't be my son.
Alright,
I would have
alright.
brought him up better than that.
And the Narcotics Control Bureau will also take him before that.
when it comes to marriage and divorce, society comes into picture. And with living relationship, no, it's none of their business to bother.
That is why that relationship is there. They can walk out when they want.
Exactly. So at end of the day, you don't want to be responsible now.
Yes, they don't want to take any responsibility. They don't want to take any onus of anything.
Talk ill of you when you get divorced. So don't talk. The society is an evil mafia which has an opinion about everything, and you have to put up with it.
The bottom line is that society will do pretty much whatever society wants to do, and it's up to us to just be puppets and do what society wants. The problem is that change will never happen. What is the society? It's the gentlemen who make all of the rules for all of us.
We are the society, right?
Right.
You are the society, he is the society, I am the society.
What are you afraid of in a marriage? Are you afraid of taking a...
Are
you afraid of taking a 7-rounder in Agni?
I never said I'm afraid of marriage.
Or you're just taking the advantage of trying to
got it
upgrade
wrong.
the girl by not marrying and by just the name of
He got it wrong supremely. I said I'm against marriage, not afraid of marriage. Yes. I'm also against...
They're not ready to take the commitment, I think.
Yeah, they are just trying to avoid the commitment and take the...
Relationships also require a different kind of commitment.
It requires, but how much does it hold good? How much does it hold good legally? What is the legal
the
binding
parents
there?
decided to split apart. Who takes the responsibility of the child?
Same with a marriage.
Yeah, there is.
Why is it that people have to go to court to decide which one is going to take care of the child?
That is the thing.
And the problem is, the fight in court has never been, no, you take care of the child. The problem has always been, I want to take care of the child.
But what makes you think you all will not fight also?
Screw the majority, screw the minority.
Of course we'll fight.
I will give you two scenarios. Can you differentiate between them? One scenario is an husband having an extramarital affair, and in a live-in relationship, a guy or a girl having other boyfriend, second boyfriend or second girlfriend. Can you differentiate between that?
I still didn't follow what.
That's a googly or is that a dusra? Okay.
I mean to say that my point is, marriage doesn't define that.
Illegal relationship.
Yeah. No, sir. My
Colonel,
point
you
is.
gave him that question? No.
So one second. Sorry, just to come back to which one is the illegal relationship, sir?
So he wants to know. He wants the ladies to ask. Naina, he wants you to answer.
No, I was asking Mr. Kannan.
No. He is trying to say.
Oh.
There in that marriage, that lady or that man, whoever needs support, there is a legal system to support him. Whereas the live-in relationship there is nothing. So if it's a girl,
no
1 minute.
issues, no commitments.
There are no commitments on that side at all. So he's free to do anything he wants over there. But here, yes, he's doing a wrong. There will be a parent, or there will be society, or there will be court.
All right, okay, that's okay. There are no rules in live-in relationships, but there are rules on Chennai Speaks Out. That's all the time we have for on this show. Thank you very much for joining us. Well, clearly, if these two youngsters are to be believed, then clearly that good old marriage vow, for better or for worse, in sickness and in health, in good times and in bad times. Clearly, not everybody subscribes to that. And to quote Carrie, not this Carrie, but Carrie P. Snow, he says, why get married and make one person miserable when I can stay single and make several thousands miserable? If you agree with us, or if you don't, do send us a comment. You can email us to feedback@ndtv-hindu.com. Once again, from all of us on the Chennai Speaks Out thing, thank you for watching. We'll catch you again next week at the same time.